guys and welcome to another video. Today we have with us the Ford EcoSport. This is the most popular car in subcompact SUV segment. After 3 of its launch, it still manages to attract the crowd. And everyone is familiar with the looks and design of this car. That's why we are not gonna bore you by telling all those things. We are here to see how this car performs. So without further ado, let's test the performance of this car. Thanks for watching guys. If you like what we do, then please hit the like and subscribe buttons and we'll see you in another video.